Guys, in this video, we will be learning tuple in Python. A tuple represents a sequence of any objects separated by commas and enclosed in parentheses. A tuple is an immutable object, which means it cannot be changed, and we use it to represent fixed collection of items. Let me take var1. This is Raj. Another name Ravi. Now this time I am going to change the data type of the value, that is integer type. Then again I am going to take float type of value inside tuple. So this is a one example. Let's print var1. Let's run the program. You see the tuple is printed with their values. So let's take another type of tuple, that is purely a integer type. 1 4 6 7. Let me take in separator, and it is mixed data type tuple. Let's run the program. Oh, we have not printed this yet, so let me print var2. This is my integer type of tuple. You see, this tuple is printed. Another example we can take, let's say var3. This would be our string type only, a b c, string type tuple. Okay, 3. Let's run. You see, this is a string type of tuple. We can also create a blank type of tuple, right? Let's say var4. This is a type of tuple, that is a empty tuple. Print var4. Let's run the program. So there is an empty tuple. Now we want to access values in tuple. To access values in tuple, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain value available at the index. How to do it? Let's say we have a tuple like 2 4 6 8 9, or say 9, where 5 0. Let's print 2. Okay, if you want to print tuples value from other index, then you can also do 3. Then you can print 8 0 1 2 3. Okay, so next feature we have updating tuples. Tuples are immutable, which means you cannot update or change the values of tuple elements. You are able to take portion of existing tuples to create new tuples. Okay, let's see how to do it. T1 as a tuple 1. Test, I have test1. Let me take tuple 2. This time I take integer type of value, right? So let's create another tuple T3 equals to T1 plus T2. This way we can create a new tuple on the basis of previous tuples. Let's say print T3. Let me take separator, updating tuple. Let's run the program. You see, where 6 1 2, again I am saying 1 3 4, again we are saying 2. 2's are repeated, 1's are repeated. Tuple can have same type of value multiple times. Let me print where 6. Let's run the program. You see, it is printed. We can delete element from tuple. To explicitly remove an entire tuple, just use the del statement where 7. Let's say some items 5 6, where 7. Then deleting, we are saying it's deleting. This is printing, then we are deleting tuple Then we are again printing, saying after deleting tuple print var 7. Okay, let's print it. There is exception. First we have printed on this line, then after deleting there is error at the runtime from interpreter that var 7 is no more here. Now let's see nesting of tuples. A nested tuple in Python means a tuple inside another tuple. How it will work? This is my tuple. Let me put a separator over here, nesting tuple. Then I have another tuple with me where 9, the string type of tuple A and B, another tuple to be initialized with previous tuple, that is var 8, then var 9. Okay, then we are printing var 10. Okay, let's print it. What happened? Okay, let me remove this line, then run this again. You see 1 and 6 and A and B, those items from different tuples are combined into another tuple. You see, now see, slicing a Python tuple means dividing a tuple into small tuples using the indexing method. We can specify both start and stop position to slice function to slice a tuple from a specific starting position until a specific stop position. Let's see how it works. Tuple 1, this is my variable name, and I'm saying 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I'm defining one start position, that is 1. Then I'm saying my stop position, that would be 3 dices. Then I have a slice function. Okay, here we can pass start and stop. Then tuple 1, this is my tuple, and I am passing the indices. Okay, did you get the point? You see, we can say slicing. Let's print it. You see, slicing tuple 5 and 6 because 5 is on first position, 0 first, and we are saying stop position would be 3, 1, 2, 3, right? This is our stop position in this tuple. We can also do like this is my tuple 1. Okay, I have opened square brackets, so my starting position is, let's say, 1. Then we are saying my stop position is 3. Let's print it. Okay, so you see the result is same for both cases. We have more scenarios, like if you want to print our tuple elements from a specific position, let's say from second position, then we can print. So it would be print from, that is tuple 1. Okay, so it would be printed from 6, that is second, 0, 1, 2. From second position we are saying print all the elements. You see 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to reverse the tuple, then you can say, you can use double colon -1, so your elements would be reversed. Okay, if you see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 1. You see, now let's see how to convert a list into a tuple. We can convert a list in Python to a tuple by using tuple constructor and passing the list as its parameter. Okay, let's create a list object L1. Okay, then here we are saying, okay, this is list. If you want to create a tuple from list, then you can say print tuple. We are saying L1. Okay, this will be converted. You see 1, 3, 5, 6, it is converted to the tuple. Now let's see some built-in tuple function. First is len. Let me take one tuple. Then we want to print length c1. Okay, let's run the program. So length function, it is 4. 1 2 3 4. Let me add one more element. Let's run it. It is 5 now. Okay, another function we have max print max c1. It will give us the maximum value in the tuple. Okay, let's run it. So it is 65. 65 is maximum value. Similarly, we have min. Let's print min c1. Okay, it will return minimum value in the tuple. You see, 1 is a minimum. Next feature we have with tuple is we can return multiple values from a function. So far we were able to return only a single value, right? But with the help of tuple we can return multiple value. Let's say we define a function def get employee details, right? So here we are saying employee name Raj. We also have employee age, that is 34. Okay, so far we can only return either employee name or employee age. So employee name we are returning result 1. Okay, then we are saying get employee details, then we are printing result 1. Okay, so what it will do, it will return only the employee name because we are returning the employee name from here. Let's see, run the program. Raj is printed because we have returned the employee name. What if we want to return employee age as well from this method? This is the problem now. To overcome this problem, tuple has given us this advantage so that we could return multiple value. We can return like tuple like this, return. Let's see, let's run the program. You see both the values are printed, Raj and 34. It has resolved our problem like returning multiple values from the same method. Okay, now finally we talk about the differences between tuples and lists in Python, right? So unlike list, tuples cannot be modified. The list object provides more methods, but the extra functionality comes at a price. Let's first look at the size of the occupied memory of each object, right? Let me take L11 as a list. Then I have tuple. This is my tuple. I have the same sets of data. We will be first checking what is the difference like with respect to the size of the objects, size of these data. Import one module import sys. Okay, we have imported. Let's say I am checking the size of the list first. Okay, so I can say the size of list. Okay, that says what that says dot get size of. You see the get size of object is a function that expects the parameter which you want to L11. This is one information we need. We need size of tuple. Okay, okay, this time let me put my t2 t22. Okay, right, let's see what is the difference. Now you see the size of list is 88 while tuple has less memory. This is always comes in bytes, or instead of plus let me take comma. Yeah, multiple values in print. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, 88 bytes, 72 bytes. You could see the clear difference.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.